That's a big one. Oscar's an outdoorsy kind of guy. Oh, look at his hair, Chachi. No, poor baby. Oh. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh. The fog. Man, that traffic is loud today. Welcome back to the house. I hope you enjoyed that little walk that we went on this very foggy, misty morning. So Rusty is here too. Hello, Sir Rusty. Anyways, welcome back in my kitchen, everyone. We are back at the house. Y'all probably already know this place pretty well. On this kind of gloomy, misty day, I was thinking, what better opportunity than making a soup? So I think we might make some lentil soup. I'll see what I have in my fridge, but in pantry. Let's get started on some soup. Lean back and enjoy, and grab a hot mug of coffee or tea or a cold lemonade. Depends on what weather it is where you're watching right now. But yeah, I'll see you there. Let's get cooking, y'all. And of course, we got the spoon with us. So y'all better behave. Just thought I'd put it out there. Aren't y'all happy that you have a German grandma now scolding you? You're welcome. It was kind of cold today, not gonna lie. Fry your onions, add your garlic, add some of the red cabbage already. I'm gonna add half of the red cabbage that I chopped up, and the rest I will add later. Once it's all cooked and smells nicely roasted, we add our vegetable broth. And of course, the star of the show, the black beluga lentils. King of lentils, in my opinion, or the queens of lentils. And now just let that cook, and we'll talk later. I'm going to peel this sweet potato, a purple sweet potato, and add that to our soup as well instead of regular potato. These have been cooking for about 15 minutes now. So I'm going to add our purple sweet potato. This is going to be a very purple soup today. Look at that dark color of the water already. Almost looks like we're making some potion. The soup got really dark now. Look at this. Time to add the rest of the red cabbage. Add some more salt as needed. Apple cider vinegar, or any vinegar of your liking. See how it turns red immediately? So the vinegar will actually turn the purplish blue color into a red or pink color. And least but not last, some sugar. And last but not least, I don't know why I always say least but not last. Maybe because of my name, Les or Rika. I should call myself least but not last Rika. Time to plate up. Let's give this a try. Yum. It tastes really good. Red cabbage is a pretty German thing. I know here it's more common for coleslaws, I think, and salads. So if you never had red cabbage in a cooked way, it's really delicious. Red cabbage has a very good flavor. It's almost sweet. It has the most delicate flavor of all cabbages in my opinion. Red cabbage is my favorite cabbage to use. Germans love to eat red cabbage. So if you have never cooked it before, please try it and let me know if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in a live stream or in a video. Who knows? Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, and stay scrunchy, y'all.